Hello, my name is Eric Chalias, and I am a Safe Sports Network athletic trainer. Welcome to this month's Sports Safety Minute. Did you know that every 3 days a young athlete in the United States dies as the result of sudden cardiac arrest? In fact, sudden cardiac arrest is the #1 cause of sudden death in exercising young athletes. In this video, we will show you how to use an automated external defibrillator, or an AED. This is a device that is easy to use and can save the life of someone experiencing a cardiac emergency.
If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to set your notifications so you can stay up to date on all our content.
Victims of sudden cardiac arrest can be brought back to life by providing chest compressions and early defibrillation with an AED. But both must be started immediately. Every second counts. It is important to know where the closest AED is kept, and many venues have signs pointing to their AED. As I said earlier, using an AED is easy. Just watch as I show you the step-by-step instructions for using one.
In the event of a cardiac emergency, one person should begin CPR. Another person calls 911, and another person retrieves the AED. Once the AED is on scene, open the case and/or push the on button and follow the automated instructions. The victim's clothing must be removed for the pads to be placed on a bare chest. Some AEDs have scissors to use to cut away the clothing. To apply the AED pads, follow the visual cues on each pad as a guide. Peel the plastic off and apply directly to the victim's skin. Follow the AED's instructions once the pads are in place. Once analyzing, stay clear and do not touch the victim. When directed, press the shock button. Continue doing CPR and follow the AED's instructions until EMS arrives.
There are many different brands of AEDs, so it's important to become familiar with the type of AED at your venue. Practice is key. Coaches and teams are encouraged to practice and review their emergency action plans with their Safe Sports athletic trainers, local EMS, and other game officials regularly.
Thanks for joining us. If you'd like to learn more sports safety tips from the Safe Sports Network, please visit our website. Also, make sure to follow us on our social media pages so you're always staying up to date.
And make sure to tune in next month for another Safe Sports Network Sports Safety Minute. Bye now.
Safe Sports Network is your source for youth sports safety information. We're supported by the community. If you would like to donate, visit our website to learn more.